Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is CHOOSE choose, THE the, CORRECT correct, OPTION option. Choose the correct option. Dear students, in this topic each question is having two options and you will have to choose correct option. So now I would like to explain you one by one these all the questions. So the first is WHO who, TEACHES teaches, YOUIN in, THE the, SCHOOL school. Who teaches you in the school? Now option A is TEACHER teacher. Option B is DOCTOR doctor. Now I would like to show you the picture. This is the picture of teacher and this is the picture of doctor. You know, dear students, a doctor is a great friend of sick person. He always speak politely so that patient feel comfortable. A doctor is a person with a profession to treat and cure sick people. And the teacher is a person who helps children and other person to learn and progress in life. So teachers teach lesson about reading, writing, many subjects. Teacher help children when they have a problem. So which option is the correct option? Option A, TEACHER teacher. We will tick option A. Who teaches you in the school? Teacher. Now the next is WHICH which, ANIMAL animal, GIVES gives, US MILK milk. Which animal gives us milk? Option A is COW cow. Option B is SHEEP sheep. Now this is the picture of cow and this is the picture of sheep. You know, dear students, cow gives us milk. Milk is good for our health and sheep gives us wool. We make woolen clothes with the help of wool. And which animal gives us wool? Sheep. And the cow gives us milk. So we will take which option? Option A, cow, COW cow. Now the next is INNWHICH which, SEASON season, DO WEV CELEBRAT celebrate, CHRISTMAS Christmas. In which season do we celebrate Christmas? Now option A is WINTER winter. Option B is summer, SUMMER summer. Now you can see in this picture what is written? Merry Christmas. Which month is going on now? This is the month of November. And now after November, which month it will come? December. In the month of December, we celebrate Christmas. Now the which season is going to be start? Now winter season started. So we feel cold in winter. You can see snow is there. Yes, na? And Santa Claus is this. Santa Claus. Yes. So on 25th December we celebrate Christmas. So in which season do we celebrate Christmas? Option A is winter and option B is summer. So which season is this? Just now you can see in this picture. This is the winter season. So we will take option A, winter. Now the next is WHICH, which? INSECT, insect. GIVES, gives. US, us. HONEY, honey. Which insect gives us honey? Now, option A is HOUSEFLY, housefly. And the option B is HONEYBEE, honeybee. Now you can see in this picture, this is the picture of housefly and this is the picture of honeybee. So, dear student, housefly is always found near humans. It is the most common insect. Houseflies live on liquid diet. Houseflies are having a good sense of smell when they search for food. Houseflies are attracted to garbage. So, now I would like to tell you about honeybee. Honeybees usually live in groups and their queen has a lifespan of more than 2 years. Honeybees are said to be one of the few living insects who never sleep or take rest and work day and night. Honeybees gathered all type of food including nectar from flowers to serve their queen. So, dear students, we get honey from honeybee. So, which option is the correct option? Option B, HONEY, honey, BEE, honeybee. Now, the next is WHO, who, GROWS, grows, CROPS, crops, INNTHE, the, FIELD, field, who grows crops in the field. C, option A is farmer, FARMER, farmer. Option B is tailor, TAILOR, tailor. You can see this is the picture of farmer and this is the picture of tailor. A farmer is an important person for every country. They grow crops in the field. Farmer leads a very simple life. Every day they work hard. We get all the fresh vegetables and other crops from our farmers. So, now this is tailor is an important part of our society. A tailor helps society by tailoring clothes to suit different individuals. He works on the garments, making the dress look beautiful. So, dear students, who grows crops in the field? Farmer. So, you will take A number option, farmer. Now, the next is WHAT, what? IS, is, THE, the, YOUNG, young, ONE, one, OF, of, SHEEP, ship. What is the young one of ship? Option A is CUB, cub. Option B is LAMB, lamb. Now you can see this is the picture of cub and this is the picture of lamb. So, young one of lion is called cub. Cubs are born without teeth. The lion babies start to eat meat at about 3 months and are weaned at about 6 months. So, a lamb is a younger sheep less than 14 months. So, newborn sheep is called lamb. So, which one is the correct option? What is the young one of sheep? Lamb. So, we will take B number option, lamb. Now, the next is dash gives us, GIVES, gives, US, us, HEAT, heat, AND, and ENERGY, energy. Dash gives us heat and energy. Option A is SUN, sun. Option B is STAR, star. Now, this is the picture of sun and this is the picture of star. So, dear students, without sun, life is not possible on earth. Sun gives us heat and energy. and we get lights also. Now, option B is star. So children, small dots of light that shine at night in the sky are called stars. They are too far from the earth. It is visible in the sky, especially at night. So, which one is the correct option? Option A, S-U-N, sun. Sun gives us heat and energy. Now the next is W-H-I-C-H, which, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, D-O-do, Y-O-U, U-S-E-Use, A-N-N, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella, A-N-D, and R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Which season do you use an umbrella and raincoat? Now you can see option A is spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Option B is rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Now you can see this is the picture of spring season and this is the picture of rainy season. So dear students, in spring season you can see everywhere greenery is there. During the spring season, weather becomes pleasant and the days grow longer. It is the season of fragrance, beauty, fresh leaves and flowers. You can see in this picture. Now, this is rainy. In rainy season, we try to protect ourselves with the help of umbrella and raincoat. So, if when you will become wet, you fall sick. So, which season do you use an umbrella and raincoat? Rainy season. So, which option is the correct option? Option B, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Now, the next is W-H-I-C-H, which, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, I-S is, M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing, I-N-S-M-M-E-R. So, dear children, you will have to see that which letter is missing in summer. Option A is U. Option B is E. Now, this is the picture. Which season is this? Summer season. So, what is the spelling of the summer? Summer spelling is S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. So, dear students, which option you will take? You will take A option, U. In summer season, we also feel very nice. For outing, we just go that we just want to go somewhere else. We want to be fresh because we feel hot. So in this picture you can see how nicely the children are enjoying in water. So you will take A number option, U. Now the next is W-H-A-T, what, I-S is, T-H-E, the, Y-O-U-N-G, young, O-N-E-1, O-F of C-A-T, cat. What is the young one of cat? So option A is K-I-D, kid. Option B is K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. You can see this is the picture of kid and this is the picture of kitten. So dear children, a newborn baby of goat is called kid. This is the picture of kid. And you know, dear children, cat baby is called kitten. When the young ones are born, they are blind and keep their eyes closed. They will open their eyes in about 10 days to 14 days after birth. So, what is the young one of cat? Young one of cat is kitten. So, option B is the correct option. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. So, dear children, like this you will complete at home. Choose the correct option. Thank you.